The theme is sharing the planet and the topic is the environment. I can see an image of two young children in a heavily polluted area near of an ocean or a body of water. They are surrounded by plastic waste, by many food wrappers, and there is many trash that which cover the ground and it extends to the houses and also it extends to the water. And in the background, I can see that there are like cartoon houses or like makeshift houses built on stilts that it indicates me that this is like a low income or a marginalized community or country. The children are barely dressed, they're like semi naked, and one is wearing underwear, and the other is completely naked. They're walking through the garbage, and one of them is carrying a sack, which suggests me that they are collecting all the recyclable materials or the trash that can affect their health. And this implies that they could be working because they collect them and then they sell them instead of going to the school. And this is probably very sad because every children needs to go to the school. This could be in a developing country, a low income country, such as India or maybe Philippines, where many communities suffers from extreme poverty and the environmental pollution and the presence no, there is very sunlight and it suggests me that it's daytime, like midday or afternoon, probably. And this situation is happening due to the multiple factors that it includes the lack of support to the marginalized communities. And the main issue here is the deforestation and the environmental degradation. Also, the social inequality because there are children growing up in very bad conditions, exposed to health risks and such many infections like respiratory diseases or a lack of proper nutrition and education. I believe this image is a powerful representation of how the environmental problems and social issues are connected because it reflects the privilege that many people have and the needs for low income people to get stronger and to address the pollution and the poverty. I can relate this to many countries because they are facing the similar situation and the similar issues, and this also is related to the USA because it's a developed country but there are many marginalized communities that affects everybody. In conclusion, the image show me the challenges that many people have to face to help the environmental sustainability and to ask for social justice. And it tells me that many people needs to work and to be more compromised in the environment.